children, today we are going to start with chapter 9, that is unforgettable personalities, right? So in this chapter, I will tell you about some great personality like Socrates, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, Karl Marx, and your Martin Luther King Jr. Right? So why are some people refers to as great personality? Mohit asked her mother. So why? What answer she gave her? What answer she gave him? That is because of the great personality, qualities of they possesses and contribution to the जो जो उन्होंने सोसाइटी के लिए करा है उसके लिए इनको अनफॉरगेटेबल और ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी बोला जाता है. So most of the people take birth like mundane life and passes away to anonymity. But few people leave lasting impression. They are the sources of inspiration for the generation to come. So first is Socrates. He was born in Greece about 25 years ago. ये टीचर थे, फिलोसफर थे. He had great faith in truth according to him. अगर हम बात करें, the source of knowledge is thinking and reasoning. क्या था source of knowledge? सोचना और reasoning. He was against blind faith in anything. He wanted people. वो चाहते थे लोगों को question करना everything before they believed. They used to say that unexamined life is not worth living and no man does evil knowingly. He preached people to keep faith in truth. सच्चाई में faith रखो, freedom में और frank thinking में. Many powerful and rich people of Greece did not like his ideas and his way of working. They accused him to misguiding the youth of Greece. वो जो guys थे ना, लोग थे, बच्चे थे, उनको क्या करना चाहते थे? Misguide करना चाहते थे. Right? They did not agree and he was not afraid of death. As a death punishment, he was asked to drink hemlock, a very deadly poison. और उन्होंने वो पी भी लिया और वो मर गए. फिर आते हैं हमारे अब्राहम लिंकन. पुअर फैमिली से थे, यूएसए की, राइट? एंड व्हेन ही वाज बोर्न इन 1809, ड्यू टू पॉवर्टी ही हैड टू वर्क इन अ फार्म लेबर. ही कुड नॉट गेट फॉर्मल एजुकेशन. एक फॉर्मल एजुकेशन भी नहीं मिला था उनको. His mother taught him reading and writing. Sometimes he borrowed books from his friends. अपने फ्रेंड से, रिलेटिव से बुक बाय करते थे, ठीक है, और तक पढ़ते थे. और वो क्या बनी? लॉयर बनी. In those days, practice of slavery was common in the USA. Negroes were brought from Africa and they were kept as slaves. So what happened? जो whites लोग थे, उन्होंने उनको बहुत deadly treat करा. Lincoln was against the practice of slavery. और वो जो practice है slavery की उसके against थे, he joined politics and in 1860 he was elected as a president of USA. And northern states were against slavery और जो southern states थी उन्होंने support करा. North वाली state तो क्या कि उसके against थी, पर लेकिन किसने सपोर्ट करा? आपकी सदर्न स्टेट्स ने. एज अ रिजल्ट अ सिविल वॉर ब्रोक आउट एंड कंटिन्यू फॉर 4 years and the northern states won. Lincoln, he become the practice of slavery, banned the practice of slavery. इन्होंने क्या करा? जो स्लेवरी की जो प्रैक्टिस थी उसको बैन कर दिया and all the slaves were made free. ठीक है, southern states were not happy. Lincoln successfully kept the USA united, but he was shot dead. और किसने मारा था? जो उनके सपोर्टर्स थे सदर्न स्टेट के. महात्मा गांधी. ओरिजिनल नेम वाज मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. Mahatma was a title which is conferred upon him by the great poet of India, Rabindranath Tagore. Gandhiji was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. After completing formal education, अपना फॉर्मल एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद ही वो कहाँ चले गए? इंग्लैंड चले गए टू स्टडी लॉ. After becoming a lawyer, he went to South Africa to practice law and under the British rule. और जो whites हैं, what they did? They treated the blacks and Indians badly. Gandhiji decided to fight against injustice and he used method of, कौन से method use करे? Truth और non-violence, सच्चाई और बिना लड़ाई झगड़े के. Right? When Gandhiji came to India, what happened? He was worried to see the condition of Indians under the British rule. He joined the freedom struggle of India. और उन्होंने क्या ज्वाइन करा? फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल ऑफ इंडिया. वो इंडिया ट्रैवल करे टू मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फ्रीडम. ही फॉलोड द पाथ ऑफ सत्याग्रह विच वाज बेस्ड ऑन ट्रूथ एंड नॉन वायलेंस. जो किस पे बेस्ड था? ट्रूथ पे और नॉन वायलेंस. राइट? तो गांधी जी आते हैं इंडिया एंड ही लॉन्च मेनी मूवमेंट लाइक नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो 1920 में हुई थी, सिविल डिसऑर्डरमेंट 1930 और क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट 1940. और फिर गांधी जी को अरेस्ट करा गया और जेल भेज दिया गया था, बट ही डिड नॉट डेविएट फ्रॉम हिज मिशन. उनके जो लीडर्स थे उन्होंने अलाई करी एंड फाइनली इंडिया बिकम फ्री ऑन August 15, 1947. अपार्ट फ्रॉम फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल, गांधी जी वर्क द लॉट फॉर हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी. किसके लिए? हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी के लिए काम करा एंड ही ब्रिंग backward caste people to mainstream, right? Now we have Karl Marx. When he was born in January in 1880. Right? He was a learned man who was proficient in law, philosophy, history, and politics. This was a period of industrial revolution in Europe, right? And its race of earning more profit. Most of the industries would force the laborers to work hard. उन्होंने अगर कि आप वर्क हार्ड करो, लॉन्ग आवर्स, लंबे टाइम तक काम करवाया. सो दे वर ट्रीटेड बैडली और उनको पे भी कम वेजेस कर जाते थे. उनकी कंडीशन कैसी बन गई? बहुत मिजरेबल हो गई. एंड ऑन अदर हैंड फैक्ट्री ऑनर, ही अर्न ह्यूज प्रॉफिट. रिच वर बिकमिंग रिच और पुअर क्या हो रहे थे? पुअर हो रहे थे. द रिच इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट एंड बिग लैंडलॉर्ड्स, इनको हम क्या कहते थे? कैपिटलिस्ट कहते थे. कार्ल मार्क्स वांटेड द प्रॉफिट टू बी शेयर्ड इक्वली अमंग द ओनर्स एंड वर्कर्स. ही रोट 2 बुक्स. एक तो कम्युनिस्ट मैनिफेस्टो और डास कैपिटल. ही यूनाइटेड द वर्कर and encouraged them to fight for their rights. The revolution of the workers crushed and Karl Marx fled to England. So his idea was adopted by Lenin, जिससे क्या हुआ? फॉर्मेशन हुआ सोवियत यूनियन का. Right afterward we have Martin Luther King Jr. He was born in USA. और कब? 1929 में. He was a black American, although slavery was banned in USA, yet the blacks were devoid of equal rights. So what happened? The leader of civil rights movement 1950-1960, he decided to fight against the injustice and he was very impressed. जो गांधी जी ने सत्याग्रह करा था ना, उनसे बहुत impressed थे. So in 1959, he visited India to learn more about Gandhiji and his ideology. During his visit to India, what he said, I am not a tourist. मैं कोई tourist नहीं हूँ. I have come to pilgrimage to pay homage to the land of Mahatma Gandhi. Right, in the USA, he continued his fight following the path of truth and non-violence. He was successful in getting a huge support. और इनको बहुत support भी मिला blacks का. On August 28, 1963, about 2 lakh people joined him to march in Washington. In Alabama, the whites prevented blacks from voting in the election. Martin Luther King continued his effort to set equal rights for blacks, but he was shot dead in 1968. He died, and his efforts for bringing equality in the society was unforgettable. He was awarded Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. People from all over the world will remain in debt. All those great personalities who sacrificed their whole life for the welfare, they were fellow beings. यहाँ पे आपको केस स्टडी दी है रोजा पार्क्स के बारे में. इसको हम मदर ऑफ सिविल राइट्स मूवमेंट भी कहते हैं. एंड व्हेन born on 4th February 1913 in Alabama, USA, he refused to vacate seat for the wife passenger, segregated Alabama bus, which ignited Montgomery bus boycott. Right, the boycotted was conducted by leaders of local black community. As a result, the law requiring segregation on the public houses was lifting the society, and she became a global icon. और उन्होंने क्या करा? रेशियल सेग्रेशन करा. ठीक है, मतलब रेशियली आप किसी को भेदभाव नहीं करोगे. राइट, एंड लीडर्स लाइक मार्टिन लूथर किंग Jr. into prominence and position from where their action affected the community. और जिनकी एक्शन था ना, वो भी क्या करा? कम्युनिटी को इफेक्ट करा. Right, children, now our chapter has been completed. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now we will meet in the next class.